Assalamu alaikum, dear all. Academic reading and writing are very important subjects in the present times. So, in order to make an effective writing, we need to give references and citations, and that they tell us basically from where we are getting the material, the source. So, in order to give a better presentation or a better assignment, we should be adding citations in it, and we should be giving references in the end. So how can we give references using Microsoft Word? So I have opened the Word file in front of you, and you can see there are certain tabs on the top: Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View. So we are concerned with references. For example, if I have taken some information from a book that says COVID-19 is now curable. Let's hope it is curable. And for example, if it is said by someone in his book or article, so how to quote or how to give proper reference to it? So we have certain styles here. We have APA, Chicago to MLA. So we'll be doing on APA today. So I select APA, and then I will go to this toolbar, this button that says Insert Citation. So by clicking here, I will go to the first option, that is Add New Source. So I'm clicking that. So that asks me what is the reference that I got from. So there's a dialog box, and I'll first of all select Book. And here I'll be writing the name of the author. For example, if I say the book was written by John Keats. So we suppose that there was some book written by John Keats, who was in fact a doctor, John Keats, specialist in coronavirus. So the title is How to Cure Coronavirus. So that was published in 2020. The city was Lahore, and the publisher was Oxford Publications. So this is the information that we get from every book and every research article. So this is present there. So we need to copy that. Now this way, there is John Keats, or Keats, just Keats with 2020, the reference is there. So if we need to add more, Pakistani doctors are fighting with it. So for example, if I have taken this from another book, so I'll again go to References, Insert Citation, Add New Source. Now, in a case when the book is written by more than one author, so we'll not be writing the name here then. We'll be going to add it. Then last name first, and then first and middle. So this is about first author. For example, again he was Keats, John. I'll add it. So this is added. Now for the second doctor. So he was Shelley. So P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley was the second doctor. I added him. So both the doctors are here. Again, name of the book. COVID-19 was the book. Why is this O getting capital? Again, Now this may have come in 2020. Okay, this is the exact year for coronavirus. This comes from Islamabad, and for example comes by Regent Publications. So now we have a reference by Keats and Shelley. So the reference is there, and then if I need to add certain more, for example, if I say so, if I again go to insert citation, and for example I have taken the material from some research article, so I'll be writing the name of the author, William Wordsworth. Title is the 2019 disease. Now, whenever we are exploring some article, we can see the name of the article there. So the name of the journal. So a journal is particularly a book, which is a collection of research articles on some particular topic. So the incurable diseases. For example, this was the title of the article, the name of the article. So that may have been published in 2019. And now we have to see that William Wordsworth, who was the author of this research, what was the page number on this article, on this journal, where we can find his article. So that may be, if the book was of 100 pages, his article may be of 10 pages, like from 50 to 60. We'll be adding it here. Okay, so we have got this option too. In case if we need to quote an article with multiple authors, we definitely find multiple authors in book and research journal. We'll be going to add it. So this is a simple way. And if you scroll it down the dialog box, you can see we have book section, we have article in periodics, we have reports, websites. We have to select anyone. For example, if I take the last reference as from the last reference should be from some website. Okay, there is always an author. So the material on website is authentic if that is by some author. So if I say the author was Yasser Usman. So name of the web page and name of the website. Now a web page means the information that is given on a page related to some particular website. For example, if Wikipedia is a website, I open about coronavirus on Wikipedia, so that will be a web page of that website. So if I say it is Corona in China, and that I have taken from Wikipedia. And now this is the time when I have accessed it. Like if you click this one, you can have a detailed information that we can add certain more things on it. So I'll be going to this thing. Year access 2020. I went on that website. It was April when I went to the website, and it was 1st of April, so it was April Fool when I went to the website. And okay, so this is what I have given. Now if in the end I need to give the complete references of that includes the name of the book, the name of the publisher, and all those things, so I'll be going to bibliography. So by clicking bibliography, I'll be going to extreme end where it says insert bibliography. So by clicking here, now I have these references here. So they are alphabetically there. and they include everything demanded by APA. So this is very simple way to use Microsoft Word to put citations and references, because without citations and references, your presentations, your assignments, your research work, that is of no value. So we need to be quoting certain supporting stuff. So this is the easiest way of presenting the supporting stuff in it. Thank you very much. Keep liking and subscribing my channel, and you'll get plenty of more to come. Inshallah. Thank you very much.